How to build a disaster recovery team. Whether creating a disaster recovery strategy from scratch or improving an existing plan, assembling the right collaborative team of experts is a critical first step. It starts with tapping IT specialists and other key individuals to provide leadership over the following key areas in the event of a disaster. 1. Crisis management. This leadership role commences recovery plans, coordinates efforts throughout the recovery process, and resolves problems or delays that emerge. 2. Business continuity. The expert overseeing this ensures that the recovery plan aligns with the company's business needs, based on the business impact analysis. 3. Impact assessment and recovery. The team responsible for this area of recovery has technical expertise in IT infrastructure including servers, storage, databases and networks. 4. IT applications. This role monitors which application activities should be implemented based on a restorative plan. 4. Tasks include application integrations, application settings and configuration, and data consistency. While not necessarily part of the IT department, the following roles should also be assigned to any disaster recovery plan. 1. Executive management. The executive team will need to approve the strategy, policies and budget related to the disaster recovery plan, plus provide input if obstacles arise. 2. Critical business units. A representative from each business unit will ideally provide feedback on disaster recovery planning so that their specific concerns are addressed.